Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show or hide icons, folders, shortcuts, or even applications here in your Windows 11 desktop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to drag your cursor to select the specific application, file folders, or shortcuts that you want to hide with in your desktop. And once you do that, please do a right click. Okay, and scroll down and look for this option called properties. By the way, you can also press alt and enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the properties of the selected file folders, the applications, and the shortcuts that you have created. Once you're done, please proceed with the general and proceed with this attributes where you can see an option called hidden. So click on this box to hide it and click on apply to proceed. And here you need to turn on the apply changes to the selected items, subfolders, and files. Click on OK. Click on OK once again, and in that way you have just successfully hide the selected icons, the file folders, the shortcuts, or applications here in your Windows 11 desktop. Okay, but let's see if you want to show it again. Okay, so by that you need to proceed with this button search bar, and here you need to type for File Explorer options. The moment you do that, a best match would appear. Please click on Open to continue. In this way, you would be able to bring up this small window which contains the File Explorer options, which consists of three tabs, which are General, View, and Search. Please proceed with View and go with this Advanced Settings and turn this Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Okay? So once you have turned it on, click on Apply to proceed and click on OK. And there it will show you all of the icons, the file folders, the shortcuts, or the apps that you have hide. But as you can see, as you have observed it, it's being grayed out. It is being temporarily shown. Okay? And in order to show that completely, you need to select it again. Select the whole, so just simply drag your cursor to select it, and once you do that, please do a right click, scroll down and go with this option called properties, and in this window please proceed with this attributes and check this option called hidden. Once you're done, confirm that by clicking on apply, and then here it will show you to unhide the apply changes to the selected items, subfolders, and files. Turn it on, click on OK, and once you do that, click on OK, and it will be permanently shown here at the desktop. Okay, so that's how easy to show or hide icons, file folders, sorry, and even apps or programs here in your Windows 11 desktop. Now, if you think those tabs help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.